Network Entertainment.
Welcome to Lecheng Pag-ibig To.
New episode every Wednesday. Before we start with our topic, Papi, batiin muna
Exciting
natin.
tong topic. Na-excite ako dito.
Nako, lahat ng mga feeling ko sing-edaran natin makaka-relate yan. Kahit di yung mga sing-edad. Pero batiin ko lang yung mga nakikinig sa atin sa pod. Pati yung mga nanonood.
Oh, I've been getting messages on Instagram and our Facebook account. I'll try to list them all down. But thank you so much for all the comments, the positive messages. Kahit mga negative, we listen to them. We put thought into them. And eto na, meron tayong mga loyal listeners.
Yeah, ito, unahin natin si Rainira Aaron, Darlene Bernardo, Kat Chavez. May listener tayo from Melbourne.
Hey!
Last time we talked about that restaurant in Melbourne, tapos nag-comment siya. Parang gusto niya daw itry yung nireco mo na restaurant.
Okay.
My Ways Clues, hello. Also to, dami nagko-comment dito, si Saruj. Saruj.
Oh.
Daruma. Oh, di ba? Mga pangalan. Mariel Banyares, Bo
International
Gummy,
fields,
Julie Jules. Also to Beng, Ching Bautista, Shannon Villando, Ian. Now for this episode, pwede ba namin kayong tanungin bago namin simulan yung topic? We wanna ask kung sakaling may grand eyeball tayo, let's natin.
Oh, yeah.
Una, anong oras nyo gusto?
At saka weekend ba dapat? Kasi we're planning yun nga.
Is it Friday, Saturday, Sunday night? Dapat ba tanghali? Dapat ba hapon? At saan? Saan nyo gusto? Quezon City? Somewhere in South?
Para we get to meet you guys, you get to interact.
Cubao.
So maybe we could do a podcast with you guys live.
Live podcast recording with you guys.
We're planning that. So let us know in the comment section or send us a DM on our personal accounts and hopefully we'll get that together very, very soon. Very interesting topic we have on the podcast today. We're talking about adulting. No? Paano mo alam na adulting ka na? Kailan mo na-realize na shit, adulting na pala to? No? Kasi maraming aspects yan, di ba? The age, not just the age, the actual emotional aspect of it na parang, okay, ito pala yung feeling nun. O wala na akong pera. Diba? Ang hirap na nito. It's getting hard. But before we get to the topic.
Emotional adulting.
Oh, yun, diba?
Financial adulting.
Kasi adulting is not just by age. Of course, may age yan na sinasabi nila. But once things start getting a bit tough, once you're on your own, diba? Once you have to deal with things that you normally don't deal with, then that's another aspect of adulting aside from the age. But before that, don't forget to click the follow button sa ating Spotify account so you're always updated on our latest episodes dito sa Lecheng Pag-ibig To. And thank you so much for always keeping us consistently at top 10 podcasts in the Philippines. Salamat.
Thank you guys.
Let's get right to it.
Adulting. Ang sabi sa science, matanda ka na or na-reach mo yung adulthood kapag 18 years old ka na.
I think that's the numerical value.
Yes. Biologically,
Kasi,
18 years old.
Correct. By law. Tama naman, by law. Diba? 18 ka na, pwede ka
Bio
na.
and biological.
Correct. Pwede ka na uminom, pwede ka mag-drive, pwede ka nang gumawa ng kahit ano, diba?
Gumawa ng kahit ano.
I mean, by law. I mean, as long as you're within the
Pwede
provisions, pwede ka. Yun, exactly. That's a big
kasama
thing.
rin
That's
yata
such a
yun.
big thing, especially na malapit na yung elections. No?
So, kamusta? May mga senator ka na ba napili? Kasi, midterm elections. So, mga senador, tsaka party list, and congressman sa lugar nyo ang pipiliin mo. And local officials also.
Meron na akong listahan
Ilan
ng
na?
hindi ko iboboto.
I love it.
I'm
Share
not gonna
naman.
mention it. Pakita ko sa'yo mamaya. But on a more serious note, adulting. It's been thrown, that word has been thrown out left and right. Shit, adulting.
Hirap ng adulting.
Ano ba talaga yung adulting? Ano ba talaga? When is that moment?
Or how do you define adulting? Ikaw mismo.
If you ask me personally, I would say adulting happens when it's not about being on your own because your family will be there, your friends will be there, but you will have to start dealing with things on a different level with a different mindset on your own. I think for me, income aside, diba? Syempre I think that's one big part when you have to start paying the bills for yourself. Sa Pilipinas kasi aminin natin, a lot of us, 70% I'd say at least, would be quite lucky. Not like in other countries, 18, layas ka sa bahay.
Kaya ayaw mo, kaya gusto mo, alis ka.
Umalis ka na, parents mo, tapos pinaaral na kita, I'm done with my responsibility, get out of my house, you're not under my roof anymore. In the Philippines, medyo iba tayo.
Oo, minsan 30 plus na. or sometimes 40 plus na single, nasa bahay pa ng parents.
Minsan, hindi na minsan mag-asawa na.
Kasama pa rin yung parents.
They still live with their parents. And that's okay.
Extended family ang tawag.
There's nothing wrong with that. No, I don't, swerte kayo kung you're in that situation. But also, you realize that may mga things na hindi na isosolve para sa'yo ng parents mo.
You said there's nothing wrong with that. Halimbawa, dun sa issue ng may asawa, tapos kasama pa rin yung parents.
I know a lot of people, not a lot, but I know some people na they still
Para
live.
sa akin, opinion ko, kapag nag-asawa ka, isa lang talaga dapat Reyna dun sa bahay.
Sana.
For me, there's nothing wrong with that. Sa akin, ako, opinion ko to, personal. Parang sa akin, wala sigurong problema ngayon, pero magkakaproblema kayo siguro.
Of course. But let's also not discount the fact na may financial
struggles pa.
Yan,
Hindi
diba?
pa ready.
Let's say if you guys decide to get married, wala pa talaga yung money to magbumukod or have your own place. Wala, you have no choice but to live with your parents.
Sa akin, okay lang siguro yung simula. Pero let's say, halimbawa, Diyos ko dahil talagang dyan na kayo, di na kayo umalis, di na kayo natuto bumukod. Parang hindi ata okay yun.
I think yung sinasabi mo, Chacha, is that yung dependence mo nandun
na
pa
lang
rin.
sa parents.
And that's what I wanted to get at. For me, adulting, if you ask me, would be when you have to start solving problems, solving issues on your own. Hindi ka na pwede pumunta, Mommy, ano to? Sira yung ganito. Daddy, sira yung ganito. Diba? You will have to start dealing with the issues by yourself. And sometimes it's actually better nga, for me, sometimes it's better for some people na, 18 pa lang, alis ka na. Because welcome to the real world. Welcome to the world where mommy's not gonna be there to answer or fix your issues. Diba?
Para i-solve yung problema mo.
Oo, diba? You want a car, you work for it. Diba? Pagdating mo sa bahay, walang pagkain.
Walang nakareding pagkain. Hindi mo iisipin yung monthly bills.
Very Filipino yan. Once again, that's very Filipino. Pagdating mo, kumain ka na ba? Ano una tatanong ng nanay mo sa'yo pagdating mo sa bahay?
Kumain ka na. Di ka pa nga tinatanong. Pinaghandaan ka na ng pagkain. Don't get me wrong. Ang sarap tumira sa bahay ng mga magulang natin. Lalo pa pag magulang natin, sobrang alaga, di ba?
Just to add to that, busog ka nga, pero kain ka. Busog ka, pero kain ka.
Pinipilit ka pa rin kumain.
As you were saying.
Tsaka hindi pag may sakit tayo, remember, di ba? Ako, kasi merong time nag-work na ako, nandun pa ako sa parents ko. Nung tinanong ako ni Sam kanina, ba tinanong mo ako, kailan ka bumukod sa parents mo? Bumukod lang ako nung na-meet ko na si Mike. Pero feeling ko nga kung kunwari wala akong jowa, dahil baka di ako bumukod, baka hanggang ngayon, single mom ako. Andun pa rin ako sa bahay ng nanay ko. Why? Number one, syempre kung single mom ako, may titingin sa anak ko. Pag nasa work ako.
You can work.
Number two, ang sarap ng may nag-aalaga sa'yo pag may sakit ka. Number 3, ang sarap ng di mo iniisip yung monthly bills. Yung nagbibigay-bigay ka lang, pero sila talaga yung sumasagot.
Paano na lang, parang pa-additional.
Bongga talaga yung ipon mo pag nung ka nakatira sa parents mo.
Nako. I would have to agree before you continue.
Di ba, Papi, ang sarap?
I would not be also probably, in this state.
Kung nakilala mo si Esa, kung single ka ngayon, nasaan ka? Tingin mo?
Probably still with my mom.
Same tayo.
Or probably, I remember I bought a condo at that time.
Tapos hindi mo tinitiran yung condo mo.
Alam mo, ginawa ko.
Oo.
Pinarent ko.
Oh, see? Practical. For me, kaya yung sinasabi ko kanina, feeling ko pag single ka and then you're still with your parents, kahit pa nag-work ka na, sa akin to, ako to, mas katanggap-tanggap yun for me. Kasi, una, may mga kilala ko, kahit na malaki na sweldo, dun pa rin sa parents nila. Number 1, walang kasamang magulang, yung parents sa bahay. Number 2, mas gusto talaga nila na parang hindi kaya eh. Nalulungkot sila na mag-isa sila.
True.
So,
empty
mas
nester.
okay
Ang
na
doon,
kasama
empty nester.
Di ba, mas kasama yung, meron kasing tao na mas okay sa kanila mag-isa sila eh. Pero meron din mga tao na, ayoko mag-isa, gusto ko may kasama sa bahay, pag uwi ko mas masaya. Ako kasi ganun ako. Kaya nung time na single ako, kahit na kumikita na ako, kaya ko naman na, I chose to live with my parents kasi hindi lang
just for the environment.
Hindi lang yung convenience eh. Kasi like for me emotionally mas okay siya, mas masaya ako.
Understood.
Pero pag may asawa, for ibang usapan. Ako lang to. Ewan ko sa iba. Or may mga anak.
Depende kung okay kami. Kasi may mga days na hindi kami okay. Nakakatakot din umuwi.
Kanino ba? Sa asawa o sa
Pareho,
kapag nandoy magulang?
Gagi, diba?
Matakot ka pag
Pareho.
nag-connive na. Kunwari, nasa isang bahay kayo. Tapos nag-connive si Tita Su tsaka si Esa.
Intervention
Dalawa
na,
yung tatalak
ganon.
sa'yo no, pag uwi.
No, but I have to agree na wala phases of life, and we know some people na ganun talaga buong buhay kasama nila parents nila.
I
Pero
think if nag-work naman for them, then that's okay.
yeah, pero that doesn't mean you don't adult. I
Yeah.
think even if you live with your parents your whole life, there are gonna be things na kailangan mo na talaga panagutan, kailangan mo na talaga gawin on
Hindi,
your
papi. Ako,
own.
I can say, nung time na nandun ako sa magulang ko, mas chill, mas relax
Of course,
ako.
I say I'm definitely a lot easier.
Oo,
Not
pero
gonna
mas
argue
natuto
about
talaga
that.
ako nung kami na lang ni Mike.
That's when you learn.
Parang dun mo nakita yung pucha, ito pala yung bills.
Okay.
Ito pala yung problema
Sige.
sa bahay
Bigyan
na di
mo ako
natatapos yung mga maintenance, pucha.
Bigyan mo ang top 3 na parang, okay, shit, ito pala. Ito pala yung sinasabi nilang adulting.
Nung naging 3 na yung anak ko talaga,
Bakit?
ibang level na yung sakit ng ulo kasi kailangan hatiin mo yung sarili mo sa work, sa mga bata. Pangalawa, yung bills. Kahit gaano kadaming kinikita mo, parang
Ubos.
di na uubos. Baka naman kami na yung problema, magastos siguro ako. Sabi ng asawa ko, alam mo yung problema,
Namimigay
magastos
ng
ka eh.
bagong shoes eh. Nakita ko sa team niyo.
Yun ang
Ito, yung
sinasabi
asawa ko, ano to. Sabi ko, may
Pinapagalitan
bago
na niya ako.
naman.
So, yung bills hindi tumitigil. Pansinin nyo, no? Pag adulting, parang, kakabayad mo lang, bayad ulit. Parang wala ka nang ginawa kundi magbayad ng mangbayad ng bills.
True.
Gumigising ka na lang para magbayad ng bills. Pangatlo, eto na yung pagka may problema, pwede mo namang tawagin yung nanay or yung parents mo, pero pag may asawa ka na, mas gusto nyo kayo muna. Doon ko na-feel talaga yung adulting. Because there was a time, sinabi sa akin ni Mike, alam mo, nakaka-bad trip ka kasi bumukod na tayo, pero pag may problema tayo,
Sila pa rin.
tinatawag mo pa rin yung nanay
Phone a
mo.
friend ka pa rin.
Wala na sila, pero bakit kailangan alam nila?
Ayun.
Doon ko na-feel na, ay shit, adulting. Bawal na yung parents makisali sa gulo natin. Walang ganun.
I think that's sa akin out of the 3 you mentioned, of course, financial, we will all go through that na, alam
Hindi
mo
niya
yan.
nararamdaman yung financial. Okay lang, Sam.
Gago!
Magpakatotoo. Sige na, gago. Okay lang. Sasabi ng di. Mukha ba na... Patingin mo na ng watch for today. Ano na pili mong watch for today?
Wow,
Pero hindi,
wow.
like seriously, I am curious. Sumasakit ulo mo sa bills?
Yeah. Of course.
Lul, gago. Kita niyo yung mukha?
Hindi, kaya nga
Nakita niyo yung
nagtatrabaho
mukha
para
ni
mahal
gago.
ko namin, gago.
Nakita mo yung... Hindi yung seryoso lang nga.
Oo. Hindi, okay.
Hindi. Ang sarap.
Mag-agree pa nga lang ako
Ang
sa'yo.
sarap ng buhay nitong hayop na to. Sige, tuloy mo.
Gago, the
Tuloy mo.
bills. No, I admit, when I was
Alam mo, gusto
when I was
namin
living-
dumating sa ganyang point yung pag tinanong ka kung na mga problema ka sa bills, yung sumasagot ka ng oo, pero nakikita mo sa mata na parang hindi.
Wow, so much bullshit on this episode. So much bullshit on this episode.
Sam, ang tagal na nung podcast. Kilala na kita pag nagsisinungaling ka. Sige, tuloy. Nahiya
Okay.
siya, Nahiya
Hindi.
siya.
Yung bills, nandyan yan, lalaki yan, no? But I think yung financial aspect, sige, one thing that you mentioned na I'd also say I experienced na, okay, ito na pala yung adulting. I guess for me, it's different. I don't have kids.
Okay.
So I'm sure if I had kids or we had kids, me and Esa,
Malamang.
mas mafe-feel ko yung sinasabi mo na
Parang-
kakapasok lang ng sweldo at parang 2 days pa lang, wala na naman.
Hindi, tsaka yung parang ginagawa nyo ngayon kay,
Chili.
si Chili, na dadalin nyo sa, di ba, ang mahal? Dadalin nyo sa clinic, bibilan nyo ng ganito, may makita ka sa mall, uy, parang bagay kay Chili to, yung mga ganyan.
It came to the point na yung meal per day, kinompute ko, mas mahal ang meal per day ni Chili kaysa sa akin. Unless we eat outside. Ito, assuming sa bahay lang kami kumakain Sa bahay lang kami kumakain, breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Ano ba yan? Cowhead ba yung gatas niya?
Hindi, parang hindi ko alam may special na binibili si Esa.
Meron special na gatas pang aso?
Hindi gatas. Meal niya special. Kailangan fresh broccoli, fresh squash. Mahal ang gulay, Mahal gulay.
Fresh broccoli?
Oo, basta yun ang pwede niya kainin.
Mas madalas pa siya nakakapag-broccoli kesa sa akin,
Anyway, sige, financial aspect, yes. That's gonna be a part where...
I think that's number 1 for
Number
everyone. Na parang dun mo talaga na feel na, uy puta, tanda ko na. Ito na yung bills.
Ito na pala. Ganito pala yun.
Oo. Tsaka last,
Ito pala yung meral ko. Tapos ito pala yung bayad sa tubig.
dun mo marirealize yung sinasabi sa'yo ng nanay mo nung bata ka. Pag sinasabi niya sa'yo na, hindi pinupulot yung pera, Samir. Hindi pinupulot ang pera.
Pag nasira
Na
yung
ikaw na ngayon magsasabi sa mga anak mo, di ba?
Pag nasira yung kotse, hindi pa dad, sira yung kotse na flat. Hindi. Bili kang bagong gulong.
Isipin mo yung mga sinasabi nila nung nanghihingi ka ng pera.
Exactly.
Na ikaw na nagmimimik ngayon sa mga kasama mo sa bahay.
And dati pa nga, di ba, isang computer, buong pamilya kayo gagamit eh.
True.
May isa kayong desktop.
Hoy, hindi uso yung sa kwarto, isa-isa. Walang ganon. Ang swerte ng mga bata ngayon.
Isang cellphone. Ha? Hindi naman mapayag na all-outs yung cellphone nila. Siyempre, kailangan medyo lumalaban sa mga...
Dapat upgrade din.
Samsung,
Yes.
diba?
Nokia.
iPhones, Nokia. Okay, now we're in the era where every kid, every person has
a mobile
their
phone.
own tablet phone, whatever you call it.
May tablet na, may cellphone na, may laptop pa.
Aside from that, of course, you want to give your kids nice clothes. Siyempre,
Yes,
hindi mo
yes.
sa paano. But okay, financial out of the way. And now, I think that's the bigger part when you know that you're really adulting is when yung number 3 mo kanina.
Yun may problems.
May problema. Pwede ka naman mag-phone a friend pero at the end of the day,
Asawa mo.
you will be the one
Yeah.
to solve that problem.
Or-
You or kayo.
Yeah, pag solo ka, ikaw mag-isa. If you have a partner, of course, with your partner.
A quick commercial break, and we'll be back in a flash.
Hey! Nakikinig ka ba sa podcasts? You can win 5,000 pesos in cash if you answer this survey. Visit go4thwallglobal.com/survey. That's go.fourthwallglobal.com/survey. And make sure you complete the survey to be qualified. Oh, di ba? Nag-survey ka lang, nagka 5,000 pesos ka pa. Winner!
Hey, his name is Chico Garcia,
And his name is Gino Killiamore.
and together we are Only Fun.
That's right, for only $12 a month.
Ah. But if you're willing to pay, why not? No, we're from a podcast that talks about movies, TV shows. Basically, we do reviews of K-dramas, whatever is on streaming, whatever is on cinemas. We also get to occasionally interview celebrities, actors, directors.
And of course, infused with our own witty brand of humor and slice of life.
Wow. I guess we don't infuse a lot.
Check it out.
Madali ka ba nakadetach doon? Yung parang before kasi pag may problem, like tawagan mo yung nanay mo. Nung
Hindi rin kasi
nag-asawa
ako
ka or...
medyo problem solver din ako before pa. I'm not gonna, hindi ako magaling magluto.
Or dahil
Doon ako
babae ako, kaya parang lahat, may ganito
Oo,
eh.
baka nga ganun.
Oh, di ba?
But I think after a certain age, medyo it came to the point na ayoko na rin guluhin yung nanay ko about things. But true enough, she'd always have food when I get home.
Yeah.
Ayaw niya ako of course, I contribute pero as much as possible, kahit sabihin niyo, sabihin ko ito yung pang
Ayaw
share.
niya.
Share. Ayaw niya. Ayaw nila eh, di ba?
Hindi na, may
sige
ano
lang.
ka na may asawa ka na.
Oo,
sa inyo
okay
na
lang.
yan.
So of course, I think the best way we dealt with it was we tried our best to treat her also, make her feel special.
Kay Tita Su yun pero tayo, yung mga nanay natin, pag inabutan mo, ito lang?
Ayun, kulang pa, ito lang. O hindi totoo yan. Kasi
Sabi ni Jeff, oo, ganyan. Nanay ko, binigay ko, ayan, bigyan mo 5,000. La, ito lang.
tingnan mo nangyari kay Carlos Yulo tsaka kay Chase Pempenko ngayon.
Ay, naku, mahirap
Ay,
naman
sorry,
yung
hindi na pala
ganun.
Chase.
Jake Zyrus.
Zyrus.
Medyo ibang issue naman yung mga yarn.
But
Diyos ko, day.
But diba, we're just saying that not all moms are also the same.
Yeah, yeah.
So adulting, number one,
So for
with
you, is it-
age, but the age will not exactly convert to adulting.
Pag dumadami na yung problema, dun mo na-feel na parang,
Depende.
ganun ba?
Kasi
Paano?
ano ba yung problema?
Kasi ngayon sinasabi natin parang ako pag iniisip ko yung adulting, hindi kasi tayo wired when we were younger na ina-explain sa atin how life's gonna be kapag lumaki ka Na parang hindi sa'yo sinasabi na ganito pala siya talaga kahirap. Okay?
Yeah, people always say
Diba?
that. Nobody ever told me it was gonna be
Kaya
this
nung mga
hard.
bagets tayo, excited tayong lumaki.
You know why?
Pag nag-aaral ka, excited
Oo.
kang graduate. Pucha, no, nag-work na ako. Gusto ko mag-aaral ulit
Because when we're kids, we wanna be treated like adults. Remember parang ayaw mo yung pinipisil-pisil yung pisngi mo. At one point, diba? In your child, ayaw mo na yung tinatawag kang cute. Siyempre gusto mo na medyo, I'm a woman. Diba? But as you get old, it's the other way around. inahabol mo na yung time na parang shit.
Gusto mo ni bumata.
Nakakatatlong workout ako sa isang araw, ganun karami energy ko. Diba? Like in your 20s, I mean, your energy level was totally different in your 20s than now that I'm 34. It's totally different than when it was 10 years ago. So medyo
34 siya, be.
Iba na talaga, no?
Sige, ilan taon ako kung 34 ka?
Alam ko nasa 36 ka ngayon.
Alam mo, kada episode nag-iiba-iba yung ano mo, ha?
Anyway.
Yung edad mo.
Mabalik tayo. Is it a good thing na, yun nga, na we live in the Philippines at least, in a society na medyo sheltered tayo? Does that delay our adulting as
Mas delay
people?
yung adulting feeling.
Diba?
Ako, pakiramdam ko, mas delay
Ako rin.
talaga dito eh. Kasi sa ibang bansa talagang, especially in the US, kasi meron ako mga friends na nandun, na alam ko, aware ako sila.
kasi it's so expensive to have help in other countries.
Yes, exactly. Kumbaga, marunong talaga sila ng gawaing
You have to.
Sila lahat naglalaba.
Alam, sobrang yaman mo, meron kang helper, may
Dito,
driver
mga
ka.
bata, 'di ba doon nagsu-school bus, nagko-commute ang mga high school students, no? Dito, pagka may pera magulang mo, hatid sundo ka, be.
As a matter of fact, in other countries, pag tapos mo na high school, you pay for your gusto mo mag-college, bayaran mo.
Ikaw, maglo-loan ka.
Student loan,
Yes.
trabaho ka while working, bayaran mo college
Pero
mo.
dito, hanggang
Sagot ka hanggang
hindi
college.
talagang igagapang ng mga magulang mo para
70-80%.
makatapos ka.
Of course, with all due respect to those na talaga nagtrabaho to get to
Meron
where
tayong
they
mga
are.
kilala na ganyan, working students
But
sila.
70% of
Pero pag
us,
kaya
hanggang
ng parents,
college, sagot ka.
Oo, sagot ka ng parents mo. There was a time ako, kahit tapos na ako mag-aral, dahil yung kinikita ko way
Not
back
enough.
then in ABS-CBN, not enough.
First job.
Hingi pa ako ng pera sa nanay ko. Nagtatrabaho na ako. Dahil kulang eh. Diba? So, okay ba na ganun sa atin? I guess.
Well, pros and cons, I guess. That's why.
Yeah, but
Kasi
kung
ikaw,
ako
like, as a mom, diba? I'm sure you will, sa tingin mo ba, when Sab gets to 18, you will have the guts to tell her, oh, alis ka na, 18 ka na.
ngayon siguro iba na rin yung parents.
Pero ikaw, personally, what do you think? When she gets to 18, layas bahay o dito ka muna hanggang ka ano? Totoo lang, let's admit it.
Well, kung dito sa Pilipinas, dito na siya sa bahay.
Diba?
Pero kung sa ibang
See?
bansa, kunwari mag-aaral,
Of
okay
course,
ako.
that's a different story.
I'm okay with it. Kasi parang siguro mas delikado lang dito for me.
But let's admit it, that's how we are wired. It's not wrong, but that's how we are wired. Diba? Na probably when I have kids, of course, we want to give them the best life.
Yeah.
Ayaw mo sila ma-stress, mapagod, ayaw mo sila ma-stress sa pera, ganyan. Gusto natin, sige ako na lang, ako na mas-stress kesa ikaw for your
may
kids.
ganun tayo.
Diba? Meron naman mga tao, gusto mo talaga sa stress. I can name a few na gusto ko talaga sila bigyan ng stress sa buhay. Pero saka na yun, no? But,
Pakiramdam ko lang ang consequence nun is mas late nagmamature. Kasi nga parang dependent
Yeah,
tayo
I believe
masyado
that.
ng mas matagal sa magulang natin. Na alam natin anytime magka-problema, meron ka matatawagan. Even up to now, merong mga ganon. No? Hanggang ngayon. I'm not saying it's wrong kasi even up to now, ako naman may moments na parang feeling ko, merong times na etong problema na to, mas pag sa nanay ko kinuwento, mas
alam niya eh. Oo, may baka dumaan na siya
pag
dito
ito
eh.
ito yung sa para sa asawa ko, ito
Oo,
yung para
oo,
sa
correct.
I'm still like that. I still call my mom and
I
yun pa
think
rin.
Esa is like that also.
See?
Kasi she talks to her mom. She can have a 3-hour conversation on the phone
Yes.
with her mom.
Kayong kakakita nyo lang nung weekend
Ako
minsan.
3 minutes nga, medyo parang,
Ayaw.
hindi naman ayoko, pero
No, like, parang feeling ko pag babae ka, tapos nagkaroon ka na ng asawa, mas close pa rin talaga. Ganun na, dun sa napapansin ko, mas closer pa rin yung girl kahit na nag-asawa na compared to boys, mas masyado kayong loyal sa amin. Kami na yung talagang sa amin na lahat ng full attention nyo. Kasi Mike is also like that. Mas madalas namin kasama yung family ko over sa family niya. Parang kundi pa ako minsan yung magsasabi na, huy, puntahan
Family mo
natin.
naman.
Oo. Di niya minsan may isip. May ganyan. Siguro hindi
is
lahat.
there also, so we talked about the physical adulting, which does not translate, like we said, to real adulting.
Yes.
Diba? You can be an adult, you can be a 40-year-old who thinks like a 20-year-old.
True. Merong mga walang pinagkatandaan.
Totoo. Diba? There's what we talked about, the financial adulting, when you have to start paying for your own bills, your own food, water. You talked about even repairs sa bahay, something goes wrong, your car, your house, or just random things, diba? You have to start thinking about insurance.
True.
You have to start thinking about having emergency funds. Let's say 6 months from now, dapat meron kang certain ipon. You start having your goals and hindi na pwedeng, aral ako mabuti para payagan ako daddy magdala ng kotse.
Swerte mo nga kung may pambayad ka ng insurance saka pang emergency fund.
True.
Yung iba, talagang ubus lang yung sweldo
End to
for the
end.
bills.
End to end.
Oo.
Is there such a thing as emotional adulting?
Meron for sure.
How would you define emotional adulting? Kasi physical, okay, gets. Pero financial, yes. Pero emotional adulting.
Ako for me, like, in a way na parang, kunwari may partner ka, isipin nyo before nung mga mag-jowa-jowa pa lang kayo, maliliit na bagay, pinalalaki nyo parate. Ngayon, pag mag-asawa na kayo, kaya mo
Choose your
palipasin
battles.
Oo, dahil sa pagod mo sa iba mong ginagawa, yung ibang issue na before sobrang big deal sa'yo, ngayon, di na masyado.
I'm not sure if my wife is listening, but God bless. No, okay. Okay. God bless lang ako.
Hindi, totoo. Di ba? Isipin nyo.
Diba?
Oo,
So,
yun.
but
Tama, mali.
I also realized that na meron, I like what you said, that there are things, not just with your relationships, but
Mas may
things
wisdom ka na sa
alam mo
pag-handle
na
ng bagay ngayon.
ano ang totoong problema, ano ang worth bigyan ng energy,
At ng atensyon.
ng atensyon, ng sakit ng ulo, or should you let certain things pass already? This just happened to me over the weekend. A few days ago. I hosted an event. No, it was in an out-of-town event. My call time, not the start of the program.
Okay.
My call time was at 5 p.m.
Okay.
Traffic sa NLEX. Bumper to bumper. I arrived 5:10. Nag-check ako, usually kasi pag may event, I check the distance in the morning pa lang. Like, how long it will take me
para
to get
lang
there.
alam mo na.
Para more or less what time I need to leave the house. Medyo tansyado ko. So, in the morning, nag-check out. It was supposed to be a 1 hour, 30-minute drive. Pagka-check ko na ng hapon, bago
Iba
umalis
na.
ng bahay, 2 hours, 20 na siya.
Mas
Anyway,
traffic.
I was late by 15 minutes. The person who was fixing the event messaged another person who also fixes events, no? Saying na,
Wala ka pa.
yung Samway G late, umalis na lahat ng tao dito. Ganon level. Oh my God.
Nakarating sa'yo.
Oo naman. So si friend na isang event person messaged me, sabi, okay ka lang? Ano nangyari? Ano daw?
Nasa biyahe ka niyan? Or nandun ka na
I
sa
was,
event?
at this point, I was literally 5 minutes away from from the venue.
From the venue.
Nagulat ako. Sabi niya, may event ka daw. Tapos, umalis daw lahat ng tao. Wala ka pa. Wait, excuse me? sabi niya, nagulat lang ako kasi never naman
Never nangyari yun sa events natin.
Sa events natin. So ako, parang okay lang ako. So in the first place, people know me already that well na. There are things na, alam mo yun, minsan hindi mo na kailangan defend eh. Kasi people already know, hindi niya gagawin to.
So what did you do? Did you confront?
Hindi, text agad si Esa, screenshot ko lahat. Sabi, tingnan mo nga to, pikon ako. Sabi ko, bakit ako sinisiraan ng isang taon to?
Oh my God.
To say na, sobrang yan late, umalis lahat ng tao. And when I got there, literally I took a video, not a single person left. Everybody was still there. As a matter of fact, when I got there, naghintay pa ako ng 45 minutes bago kami nag-start.
Oo, kasi alam naman natin yung mga call time na yan. Kung kailan talaga ang start
No
Yeah,
question. Sige, diba? If you're sige, I was late 10 minutes. But to create stories like that,
na hindi totoo.
na hindi
at
totoo,
Hindi tama.
para manira sa ibang mga tao, na parang, ano to, grabe, umalis na ng tao. Vindihan ko talaga. Sabi ko, okay, ito yung lahat ng tao. Walang kahit isang umalis. So, yung araw nandiyan pa, it's still, and for the audacity of this person, who I never worked with before, it's my first time working with that person, to say these things. Sabi ko, teka, anong, nito? Pikon ako. So,
Anong reply ni Esa?
so during my break, I was just in the room, calming myself down. Kasi ayoko naman, sabi niya, confront mo. Oo.
She said,
Sabi niya, tanong mo,
kung bakit.
sino? Kasi syempre, sa event, marami
So,
naman tao
hindi
dyan.
mo kinonfront.
Tapos, proud ako nun. Feeling ko adulting moment sa akin yung last weekend.
Okay.
Pikon ako. But at one point, sabi ko, is it even worth the energy going up to this person and asking this person, ba't mo sinabi yun
Tama.
sa isang tao? When I know for a fact, i-deny niya. Sabi niya, wala akong sinabing ganyan Sino nagsabi ganyan? Ako, the mere fact that it's a he said, she said thing. Lalapitan mo isang tao, balita ako, sinama tungkol sa akin. Hindi Hindi ko sinabi yan. So what I did, sabi ko, sobrang kong gagalingan yung pag-host ko na night na yun.
So, tinodo mo?
300% ko yan.
Oo.
Para lang, let that be the way para medyo siya yung mapahiya for saying things like that. Instead of talking to her, which I know she would deny. Yun na lang ginawa ko.
So, tahimik
Pero
ka. Di mo siya kinausap at all, like the entire night?
sabi talaga ni Esa, hindi, you have to talk to this person kasi hindi tama yung ginagawa niya. Nakakasira yan sa'yo, makakasira sa industry or whatever. But then I realized also, looking at the big picture, na, yun nga, like exactly what you said rather.
May mga bagay.
Do I really have to, do I go to that extent na, okay, lalapitan ko ng taon to, make an issue out of it.
Ano makukuha ko?
Oo.
Napag-usapan natin yan before.
When I just let my work do the talking instead. Iwan ko na doon. Kasi pag mangyari pa yun, lalaki pa yung issue, ganyan. Eh, ba't sinabi ni ganito? So sa akin, medyo adulting moment. No, ano lang yan, a few days ago.
Taray, no? May issue pa rin talaga si Papi. Sabi ni Jeff.
Hindi, pero ang point ko lang dyan is, yun nga the ability to step back from a situation.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say hindi ako napikon. I told you, pikon ako.
pikon.
I was in the room for a good, during my break, for a good
Hindi ka
15 minutes. Hindi ako nagsasalita. Hindi rin ako makain. Kasi parang, pikon. So, taga sugurin yung tao.
Hindi
Parang,
siya kumain. Ako
Hindi.
siguro kahit pikon ako, kakain ako.
hindi, parang,
PG!
gusto ko sugurin.
PG yarn!
Sabihin ko, gago ka.
No, kasi kapag matanda ka na, yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, mas may wisdom ka na which battles na dapat puntahan
Oo,
at ano yung mga eksena na hindi worth it para pag-aksayahan ng
Oo.
oras.
And energy.
Oo, and energy. And meron tayong mga ganyang moments na bago ka pa pumunta sa trabaho, parang buwisit ka na, but you handled it so well. So feeling ko, pag gano'n, na parang mas iniisip mo na, teka, yung energy ko, kesa bawasan ko pa yung energy ko na medyo pagod na ako sa biyahe, kapag kinonfront ko siya, save ko na lang to mamaya sa event and I'll show them kung anong klase ako magtrabaho.
Diba? Parang if you have one person saying this and you have 1,000 people saying otherwise, sino magmumukhang tanga? But
yan ang emotional adulting.
I
Pag
think-
alam mo na kung paano i-handle yung mga ganyang
Ganyan.
klase ng problema na pag nainis ka, dun sa moment na yon, papatulan mo ba o hindi? And I feel like mapapansin mo yun sa sarili
yes,
mo. Ikaw
hindi
mismo.
ako ganun dati.
Me also. I'm not like that. Konting bash,
Ah.
rebuttal agad.
Ay,
Diba?
gusto mo makipag-away sa akin, ha? Okay, tara, let's go.
May sinabi sa'yo, katrabaho man yan or sino man yan, rebuttal ka ulit agad. Pero ngayon, hindi Humihinga ka muna ng malalim, iniisip mo muna.
Step outside the situation.
Yes.
Look at it from a bigger, ano mangyayari pag ito gawin ko? Ano mangyayari pag yan gawin ko?
Kasi ako, feeling ko, kunwari, kinonfront mo yon and she's the type nga na kung sakali man gumagawa ng kwento, kapag kinonfront mo yon, baka mas malaking kwento
True.
pa ang gawin niya
Naisip ko rin
sa'yo.
yan. Sabi ko,
Diba?
eto mangyayari dyan. Pag ginawa ko to,
It's not worth it. Kapag
Correct.
merong gumawa ng kwento sa'yo, ko-confront mo siya, halimbawa, ginawa mo ba to? Alam mo na nga na hindi mo naman ginawa yung sinasabi niya, then, probably, sa buwisit niya sa'yo, gawang ka pa niya lalo ng issue.
a worst
one. Oo.
So I think adulting includes that. No, bring it back to our topic. Like me and Chacha have been saying, wherever, whatever situation you're dealt with, no matter how old you are, it's being able to hit the pause button, look at the bigger picture, and being able to make sound decisions about situations, about things, about
you're
issues, especially about problems. And I think that's where real adulting comes in.
Wow, adult ka na. Ayoko masabihang adult ako kasi sa Tagalog, matanda ka na.
Kaya nga na-invento yung term
Diba?
na
Okay na, huwag
adulting.
na ako sabihin adulting, be.
Uy, adult ka ngayon. Looking good.
Adult ka na. Matanda ka na.
But let us know what you think about it. Of course, drop a comment. What is adulting for you? When did you realize na nag-adult ka na pala?
And is it hard? Is adulting hard?
Correct.
Kagaya ng na-experience namin ngayon.
I think it is. I think for everyone it is because we all are faced with different situations, different challenges in life, and we all have different ways of dealing with them.
Pero hindi lang naman mahirap yung adulting. Feeling ko masaya din siya. So, anong part ng adulting ang gustong-gusto mo?
And when did you, gusto ko malaman we all have
Ilang
that.
taon ka when you realize na adult na ako?
Wow.
Oo.
Look, you gave yourself a pat on the back kasi
Yeah.
whether it's a financial thing, you got your first house, your first car, your first bag, your first pair of shoes, whatever, or it could be a decision you made in life na, yun nga, a situation that made you think na, uy, dati hindi ako ganun .
ganito, oo nga, yeah.
I am not the same person I used to be.
Parang
the old
nito lang
me.
pala ako tumanda, be. Char.
Let me reintroduce myself. I am DJ Chacha. Parang ganun, diba?
Ba? Baka.
Allow me
Ikaw
to...
ba kailan? Kailan mo na-realize na talagang ilang taon? Yung parang adult ka na.
Siguro bukas ko pa marirealize. Thank you so much for listening to the podcast. My name is Sam YG.
And this is Chacha.
Be safe, be good,
Bye-bye.
good shit.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.